Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez, mamaya sa Greek channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon, natutugin natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Karoon na kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey, di lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo? So let's see and watch this. So guys, tingnan natin ano kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, ito na, tunghayan na natin at bubulabugin natin yung angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, so this is a 3 of Wands, a waiting for ship or waiting for soul. There's a foresight. So may mga bagay pasilip sa iyo ang ating mga gabay na maaaring may mga bagay na maganap na. No? There is something moving abroad, foreign land. So this is something information na maaaring kailangan malakas ang loob mo, malakas ang pakiramdam mo, malakasan mo ang kumpiyansa mo na maalis yung takot at pangamba mo. And this is something, the page of Wands, something good news. May magandang balita na ha. Kumbaga, itong magandang balita na ito magdadala sa iyo ng something, a new beginning. So something, Queen of Cups, represent healing. So magkakaroon ka ng mature emotional healing dito guys. And there's something security pagdating sa pagkababae mo or pagkalalaki mo or anything, no? And this is the 5 of Swords, something self-sabotage, no? Magkakaroon ka ng excuse me, self-sabotage dito. Mag-ingat ka sa mga actions mo. No? Kailangan pakawalan mo at umalis ka dyan sa ginagalawan mo kung ito ay mga bagay na hindi makakatulong sa'yo. No? Mayroon ako nasa-sense na ginagamit ka lamang niya. No? And this is something that 7 of Pentacles with a harvest no moment. No? May mga bagay na mag-harvest ka na. Additional messages. Represent what? So this is something the lovers. So, ay, pag-ibig. May pag-ibig. And of course, there's something, the 3 of Cups, something a celebration. Ito yung hinihintay mong celebration, unti-unti na magaganap. And there's an 8 of Wands, so something yung fast communication and fast movement. And trouble. Double clarification na may trouble news. No? So let's see what is the Queen of Cups. Represent with the Ace of Swords, the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka talaga na mawawala na yung worries mo, mawawala na yung anxieties mo, mawawala na yung stress mo, and overthink and so on. Now, let's see what is the 5 of Swords. Represent what? So, this is the Knight of Cups with an offer, no? There's a something offer, pero just be aware. Guys, ha, sa mga offer, mamaya may paglinlang, diba? Mamaya, kumbaga ginagamit ka lang yung bagay na yan o tao na yan, no? Para, diba, sa kanyang sariling beneficio. And this is a 10 of Pentacles with a harvest moment. And of course, there's something of financial security. No? Kumbaga, mag-harvest ka na sa mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. There's something unexpected financial windfall. May pag-ulan talaga ng biyaya dito. And this is the lovers. Represent with a high fans, something in education and lesson learned. Matuto ka na sa mga nakaraang pag-ibig, sa mga pinagdaanan mo tungkol sa pag-ibig at pag-aasawa. And this is a Page of Cups to represent something in intuition. May gut feeling ka na, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay o tao ka sa sitwasyon mo na kailangan na pag-isipan mo kung pagkakatiwalaan mo. So let's see what is the Page of Wands because the 8 of Wands. So represent the 6 of Wands for a victory is yours. Talaga magtatagumpay ka. There is something success talaga. Makakaalis ka, makakapag-ibang bansa ka. So let's see what is the Queen of Cups because the Ace of Swords. Represent with a 4 of Wands, something in celebration, homecoming, family gathering. So, maaring, there's a lot of surprises na maaring matamo mo. No? Maaring magtagumpay ka at mawawala na yung parang trust issue mo na pagdating sa pag-ibig. No? And this is something that 10 of Wands, something a burden. Kumaga ito ngayon nagbibigay balakid at nagbibigay ng sakit ng ulo mo. No? Kaya mag-ingat ka sa lahat ng over. So, let's see what is the 7 of Pentacles because that's 10 of Pentacles. So, this is a star card na maaaring ito na yung hiniling mo, na maaaring magtuloy-tuloy na about sa pagkakapirahan. And this is something the lovers card because the Hierophant. Represent the Sun card. Wow! Ito na yung kalalabasan ng eksena maaaring kumbaga mamulat ka na sa nakagisnan mong relasyon, no? Maaring kumbaga magbigay sa'yo ng positive outcome. So, kumbaga may trust issue talaga dito, maaring kumbaga kailangan mong pakawalan yan, no? Kailangan mong alisin yung negative thoughts mo. For the outcome, yung masamang isip mo tungkol dyan sa person mo, alisin mo yan. So, this is something, the Knight of Swords, something anxieties, sleepless nights, so nakakaranas ka ng worries, and overthink or fear. This is something, the World card. Ibig sabihin, gusto mo mga ibang bansa pero natatakot ka. No, there's just something, the success coming in for you pagdating sa international, maaari magbibigay sa iyo ng positive outcome. So this is something, the Four of Cups. Basta mag-isipan mo mabuti, huwag kang ura-urada, no? There's just something refusing offer, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na naguguluhan ka sa lahat ng offer. Kaya kailangan pag-iisipan ng wasto at tama, ha? Hindi pwedeng pala desisyon. So, let's see additional messages pagdating sa finances and career. So, this is the Wheel of Fortune for a good luck. So, there's a destiny is yours. So, maaaring gumanda na ang ikot ng kapalaran pagdating sa finances and career. So, this is the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. And the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups to represent opportunities. No? Maraming opportunities na papasok sa'yo na magtutupad ng mga pangarap mo. And this is a Justice card, karma is coming. So, ito yung mga bagay na matagal mo nang hinintay, no? Ang maaring kabayaran sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinapaghihirap at mga sakripisyo mo. Now, this is something, a Justice card, nagre-represent with legal matter, law, no? Maaring may usapan dito about sa mga legal na papeles, dokumento, maaaring meron ditong about sa partnership, investment, just be wise, no? This is something, the Fool card, no? There's something in new beginning. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa process and progress, no? Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa love life. So, pagdating sa love life, this is a Two of Wands by choices. Piliin ang tama at wasto. There's a judgment for a wake-up call. And there's a judgment nagre-represent with something warning. No? And this is the Nine of Pentacles with a security. I-secure mo yung sarili mo. And there's the Six of Cups. No? There's a something, no? There's just something, a past, no? May mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan dito na maaaring ibinabalik ulit, no? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka pagdating sa love life. And this is the King of Swords, something stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past, kailangan mo nang pakawalan yon, no? Huwag ka nang bumalik sa nakaraan. Ganon. Kumbaga may mga nangyari sa nakaraan, kailangan matuto ka na. So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, there's the Four of Swords to something in intuitions, no? Kumbaga marami tumatakbo sa utak mo, nag-overthink ka talaga, there's something fear, na may mga takot at pangamba ka dito, and there's something stress. And this is the Queen of Pentacles, there's something balance, and pagdating sa finances, kailangan matuto kang umawak ng pera. Hindi pwedeng ura-urada ka, kasi isa nagbibigay stress sa'yo, kapag wala ka ng pera, bugnut ka na, no? Kumbaga marami na tumatakbo sa utak mo, takot, pangamba, no? Ayun yung kailangan mong maging matalino. How to manage your money. And because this is something that set card for that something, a transformation. Na maaaring may mga bagay na matapos na, and this is something spiritual transformation. Malaking pagbabago about sa health mo, guys, ha. Malaking konektado ang about sa spirituality. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga nararamdaman kang it's not ordinary, no? May mga nararamdaman kang, kumbaga kahit anong inom mong gamot, hindi gumagaling, magpatingin ka sa albularyo. Mamaya, tatawasin ka pala, mamaya nanuno ka pala, diba? O mamaya may tao palang gumagawa sa'yo, no? Some of nowhere. So, kailangan na magpatingin ng maayos at kaya hindi ka siguro makatulog ng wasto, no? For Archangel Michael, for magical fairy messages muna. For magical fairy messages are represent what? Represent with something, a new home, na magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay dito. Wow! Bagong tahanan, and this is something, practice, enhance your ability and polish your skills. So, kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-practice ng husto, no? At kailangan mo magpagaling ng husto sa kung ano man yung nakasanayan mo. For us, synchronicities, represent what? Ay, there's a spiritual guidance. See? Kumbaga, there's an reference card for revert. Wow! Kumbaga, there's something na maaaring ibalik ulit yung, kasaganahan, yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo from the past na maaaring may lesson dyan, kaya kailangan makinig ka. Diba? Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit na there's something red flag. na kapag alam mong tong tao na to, it's not good for you, pakawalan mo. Kung ayaw mong bumalik ulit sa dating nangyari sa buhay mo. And this is something confusion, na may mga bagay o parte sa buhay mo na naguguluhan ka, and there's an action. Kailangan mo nang magkumilos, gumalaw. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena talaga dito, guys, no? And there's an abundance, wala kang kasaganahan talaga, na pinapakita dito na maaaring magkaroon ka ng masaganang eksena. For romance angels are represent what? Pagdating sa Mystic Love Oracle deck, represent what? I'm sorry, no? May hihingi ng tawad, no? And this is something love, wow! Some of you may hihingi ng tawad dito, no? No, meron babalik, meron naman ditong, kumaga may love affections, na this is something fated meeting. Talagang magtatagpo kayo. At yung pagtatagpo nyo, maaaring may ibig sabihin yan, no? Maaaring soulmate kayo, soul ties kayo, ganon. And there's a possible, kasi may lumabas sa Four of Wands, nag-represent with a twin flame, no? Maaaring twin flame kayo ng person mo. For Archangel Michael, messages for you. Spend more time outdoors. So, kailangan mong no? Kailangan mo ng oras at panahon. Diba? Para lumabas, huminga. And this is something your children are watched over by angels. Ginagabayan daw lang ating angel spirit ang iyong anak. No? Ng iyong mga anak. For angel spirit messages, for the chakra, represent what? Insecurity, may naiinggit sa'yo. And there's a gossip, no? Pinagchichismisan ka behind your back. Sabi ko na nga ba, may mga evil eye Kaya iwas sa pagkakatiwalaan, ha? And this is something discovery, at madidiscover mo na yan on your own. For additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a school. There's a something lesson, na marami kang mga bagay na matututunan. O may mga aral kang natutunan. O may mga kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo na maaaring nangyari sa'yo from the past. For Archangel Raphael represent, forgive the seals. Talagang mayroong kapatawaran talaga. Diba? Kailangan mong pakawalan, bitawan yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo sa nakaraan. Kasi bibit-bitin mo yon na negativity na yon para hindi ka makabangon at hindi ka makaalis sa situation. For additional messages, so this is something emotion. See, this is something emotion here. Magiging emotional ka. There's something confident. Is your key to success. For Monthology, represent what? And of course, this is something, the energy is gaining momentum. Yung mga bagay na to, hindi mo to makakalimutan. Tatatak to sa'yo. And what you need to release, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan? Alisin. Diba? I-surrender to the divine, no? May mga bagay na pilit mong kinukontrol, ay yun yung kailangan mong iwasan. No? Kuwaga, don't expect too much. No? Kapag nag-expect ka, ma-disappoint. And this is a death card, the transformation. Double clarification with the death card, ha? Dalawang beses lumabas yung the death card sa'yo. I see some transformation, changes, no? Changes that brings you something, a new beginning. And success, no? What is the energy represent? A magician, wow! This is something reflection and of course, manifestation, na may mga bagay na kung ano man yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, babalik sa'yo. Magre-reflect yan sa'yo. What goes around comes around. This is something contract. There's a something signing contract talaga kung nasa sense, no? Magkakaroon ka ng international trouble. And there's an adjustment possibilities, no? Kailangan mo mag-adjust, no? May mga pinto ang magbubukas, may mga pinto ang magsasara for you. Additional messages. And this is something jump in. Say yes to change. Dapat tanda ka sa pagbabago. Kasi alam nyo guys, may nasa-sense ako dito, mabibigla ka. No, mabibigla ka sa something na pagbabago sa buhay mo. And there's an earth pulsing. No, there's a something slow down. No, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mong madaliin. No? For the angels answer, represent what? Within the next few weeks, sa mga susunod na linggo, na unti-unti mo namang mararanasan or mararamdaman yung mga pagbabago, and this is something romance tungkol sa pag-ibig, and there's an in the near future. Diba? Talagang ipapakita talaga kung talagang para sa kayo sa isa't isa. Ganon, sige nga, let's see what is the romance angels represent what? And represent with that, it's safe for you to love. So, safe ka naman daw pag nagmamahal. Diba? And because this is something honeymoon. There's a lot of honeymoon here. Na maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng time to each other. No? Let's see what is Jesus' loving quote said. Come to me, all you that labor and heavy laden, I will give you the rest. So see, bitawan mo yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa'yo. No, pakawalan mo. Kasi the more na bit-bit mo yan, hindi ka makakaalis dyan. No, mahihirapan ka sa pag-usad. Kailangan mo pakawalan, bitawan. No? At doon ka gagaang at makakaalis ka at makakalaya ka, no, sa bangungot ng nakaraan. So, let's see what is additional messages. Meron ka dito mga bagay na hindi nakakalimutan. No, binibit-bit mo yun. Kailangan mong pakawalan yun. For the angel's number, represent na 1212 for persistence. No, kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Hindi pwede ditong yung pabago-bago, no? Happy day, an evil opportunity related to your life purpose is just around the corner. Take immediate action once it pop up. Of course, a lovely partnership or an epic romance is also in the cards. So see, pati sa love life mo, pati dyan sa career mo, konektado dito, maaaring, kumbaga, pag binigyan ka na ng sign, ilaban mo. No, there is something, a new experiences coming in for you. Kailangan palaban ka dito, hindi ka pwedeng duwag. Ganon. Kumbaga, pakawala ng negativities, huwag mo masyadong ninanamnam yan. Diba? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Ang messages of life represent a gift from life. Ito yung regalo ng buhay, diba? Ang regalo ng ating universe for you each day. Life offer me abundance. Proof that the universe love me. Every day, God sends angelic to help me. Today, I will receive an angelic message. It may come from someone with whom I speak from the words that I read. I will listen closely as this message is a divine gift meant to help me make my way in love and maintain my spiritual strength. So see, kumbaga may nagpapalakas ng loob mo. Maaaring nakakakita ka ng mensahe ng ating gabay sa panaginip mo, sa ibang tao, or either sa angel's number, na nagbibigay motivation sa'yo para maging matagumpay. Tandaan mo ha, maraming mensahe ang ating gabay na ibibigay sa'yo, kaya kailangan makinig ka sa warning, makinig ka sa babala, makinig ka sa paalala. No, wag mong, kumbaga, hayaan, no, na maganap yung mga bagay na nangyari na, no, kailangan mong baguhin na, no, ang iyong nakagis na, nakagawian. Kailangan mong magtiwala sa ating pong may kapal. Huwag mong pilitin, huwag mong kontrolin, no, the more kang mahihirapan. Kailangan pakawalan ang nagbibigay negatibo para magtuloy-tuloy ang biyaya na bigay ng ating pong may kapal. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of January 2025 for the sign of for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Just Makeup Pal. Siksik-lik-lik na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And mabush!